All right, good morning, everybody. It's 9:22 local time out here in Boston. And, wherever you may be, it may be earlier in the day or later. That's the beauty of this crazy internet. So today I didn't sleep well last night at all, but I'm going to try my best to get my head around PHP. And I'm going to be watching some lynda.com videos and kind of talking my way through how PHP might be different than other programming languages, maybe how the syntax might be kind of complicated or less intuitive than other languages. I've kind of already got the basics about variables. So in PHP, variables are declared using a $sign, which is why if you look at the back end of any WordPress site and you look at the PHP code, it's littered with $signs. They're everywhere. So that's how you use variables in PHP, whereas other languages, more modern languages, I think anyway, variables do not have any prefix. So the prefix is one thing that kind of trips people up. The second thing that I've learned is, excuse me, the PHP delimiter. So this is PHP is designed to be used inside of or encased within HTML. So in any .php file, you can have straight HTML, just markup language that will run as HTML code. And then within that code, if you do a greater than sign, a less than sign, question mark PHP, everything which follows that, the computer will interpret as PHP code until it sees the suffix of the delimiter, which is another question mark followed by the less than sign. So that's kind of how you encase PHP code within HTML, which can get complicated because you can dip into PHP and then dip back out of it very quickly. So anyway, so now I'm into strings and concatenation. So concatenating, if you haven't used that term in programming, just means that you're bringing two different pieces together. So rather than adding in numerical terms, if you're talking about math, when you talk about strings, concatenating means just putting two strings together. So the example I'm looking at right now is the quick brown fox is stored within the variable first, and the variable second has, within quotes, space jumped over the lazy dog. And what you see is if you set third equal to first, and then you period equals second, that's concatenate equal, it will concatenate second to the first. Period, I haven't quite wrapped my head around this yet, but in PHP, the period signifies a concatenation. So that's where we're starting from. This is going to be a pretty slow video because I'm just going to be watching videos on my computer and probably talking over them occasionally. But yeah, if you want to look at the course that I am using, here is a link. Put that in the chat. And here we go.
So the same thing as first does. You can get that same string and bring it into third. Now, in the next line, I'm going to tell third that
another gotcha with PHP is every line ends with a semicolon
to what's already there.
So kind of like
to the end.
In CSS, or I think in JavaScript
haven't
too.
Changed. Those values are exactly the same.
Python,
still.
for example,
the
you do
third
not
now
need
has the complete phrase in it. This is going to be a very handy way to write your code if you're trying to build up a string over time. We'll definitely use it when we start working with MySQL later on. And of course, I could then say echo.
Echo, that's it. So echo.
All right, so now we have our third string. Let's take a look at some function.
Print
drop down here a little bit.
To the
let's put in a BR
to
tag.
the screen.
And then instead of
within the markup language of HTML, so that's how you echo
this includes some HTML as well as PHP tags calling some functions. So these are the string functions that we're going to be learning. The first function that I want us to look at is string to lower. So str.
You know what? I think while I'm doing this, I'm going to try to figure out how to do YouTube live show screen and camera. How to live stream your computer screen. That's what I want to do. Because I think it'd be a little more, I mean, I hope this doesn't do any copyright infringements. But anyway, all I want to do is show you the lessons as, excuse me, I'm watching them. All right, do you have YouTube? There's this thing in SEO now where the first line of any article is like a question. And like, do you have a YouTube channel and want to make it more popular by streaming it live? And then like, if you answer yes to that question, I guess like you should read the rest of the article, and that's a good SEO practice. But like, is that good for people? Like, it feels like the first line of a bad advertisement. Anyway, all you need is Google Chrome. You can start by using. Got the camera. All right, where's the camera? Where is the camera? Nope, that's not it. Oh, here's a dashboard. Okay, here we go. Streaming settings. DVI. Edit. Advanced. Nope, 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 nope. Let's see. Let's see. So when you click on the camera, notice that alternate user pane is deactivated. Let's see. Let's do that. Let's go here. Go to control room. I had 2 people watching me. That's crazy. Oh, I think it was just me though. Access the menu on the left-hand note and click live streaming. It is crucial that live streaming is enabled. If not, you just have to click enable. Events. Live event. I don't think this applies to the new way of working. I think there's a I can choose. Oh, there's an app that does this. OS. Live screen recorder. Shoot. You know what? I'll do this another time. We're not going to worry about this right now. All right, let's go back to the live. How do I get back to where I came from?